I'm here at the Hampton Inn and Suites in Edmonton, and I gotta say this is a lovely hotel. Their pool is pretty impressive. I know it doesn't have a slide like the Travelodge at Edmonton West does, but it's got this mushroom water thing, so it's got a little play area, and it's got a hot tub. The hot tub's not crazy hot, which I particularly enjoy, and so like the pool is amazing. You could spend all day in the pool. The pool is its own attraction. The rooms are very good. You know, they say the beds are queen size, and they kind of don't feel queen size. It's not the same as queen size back home, but that's okay. The location's pretty good. It's pretty close to West Edmonton Mall. It's about a 35-minute walk. If you are walking, it's a very quick drive. You know, it's 1.5 kilometers from the Red Lobster, so the location is really quite nice. The staff are fantastic. The facility is clean. It's great. The Hampton Inn in Edmonton is fantastic. This is the Hampton Inn in Edmonton, and it's really quite nice so far. The staff have been absolutely delightful. And here's a quick look at our room. So we've got a barn door here that has a mirror on it, and that's for the bathroom here, which internal control, which is nice. That's sort of your standard Hampton Inn amenities, Neutrogena stuff. This is all fantastic. One thing I really like is they include mouthwash. A lot of places don't do that, so Hampton Inns are great for that. Plenty of towels there, some art. Toilet looks fairly clean and in good condition. That's going to be probably the blow dryer for hair. Plenty of TV. Here's our shower stall. Let's take a look at that shower head. Nice and clean. I like that. That looks brand new practically, which is fantastic. Nice little, you know, place for your soap, little ledge there. That is great. Now let's take a look at some of the room. We've got some coat hangers here, which is convenient. Place for luggage. Seems to be in pretty good repair. Yeah, no, that's not damaged, just a little bit of a mark. I hear the air conditioning coming on. They set it to 24. I'm probably going to lower that soon. I like it nice and cold, but it's fairly quiet, which is good. Get some electrical outlet here on one of the beds. We got the 2 queen room option here today. And you get your standard phone and clock, but because it's a Hampton Inn, they've got plenty of power. 2 USB ports, 2 regular plugs right there on top of what I already showed you at the side of the bed. Got a pretty decent sized TV there, another phone, and then we've got a light here that also has another regular outlet, and we've got more outlets over here. Isn't that great? I love how much power the Hampton Inns usually give you. Get a mirror, desk and chair, and some place to store your luggage, and of course, love a refrigerator. There we go. Decent sized dandy refrigerator. And you get your coffee stuff down there and an ice bucket. Pretty standard. I really like kind of the decor and the color choices they've made here. It's fairly modern, which I like. I've noticed that some of the Motel 6s lately have been trying to kind of copy this kind of a color scheme almost, and also like what they have here. So, hey, if you're not the best, steal from the best. But this looks fantastic. I am in love with this room so far. There's the air conditioning. Let's just give that a little listen. That's not too loud at all. So, yeah, a fairly price-effective option here in Edmonton. Very nice, very close to the mall if you're going to West Edmonton Mall, so I recommend it for that, certainly. You've got a drawer underneath that, so that's a little bit different. And beyond the barn door here, of course, you got your ironing board, you've got your safe on the ground there, and some hangers, extra blankets. So, if you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, and we'll know that you want to see more hotel reviews and room tours like this one. And let me know, do you think this is a nice place? Would you stay here? What do you think would be a reasonable price to pay to stay here? And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel for more hotel tours, travel advice videos, all sorts of things that you can check out. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Go stand there.